Hey, Greg Spindler here. Let's talk about the posture pattern flexion with extension in the low back. So what we mean by that is flexion of the hips, creating a lot of lordosis in the lumbar spine. So what's happening here is we got the pelvis here, the iliums, and they're pressing on the sacrum to create this tippage forward. Can everybody see that? It's like a tippage forward. And what that does is sets the body to want to react and go into more extension in the lumbar spine. Well, that could be uncomfortable for a lot of people over repetitive use with sports and poor posture and lack of strength. Where does that all initiate from? We can call it the SBS mechanism between the purple bone and yellow bone here. You'll see a joint there. What that means is if I take the occiput and the sphenoid bone, they come together like so. Oop, got it backwards. Comes together like so. And what that means is the sphenoid and the occiput are stuck into flexion, initiating the body to react with the iliums being forward and the sacrum wanting to go tip forward, meaning the lumbar spine has to go into more an exaggerated phase with a lordosis curvature. As a manual therapist and cranial structural therapist, I can initiate a change here in the SBS mechanism by going in flexion and extension. Flexion would be a direct technique. Going into extension would be a indirect technique. Then we follow that with a clearing, and then we can do our body work. A lot of times, this is the last thing that needs to be addressed, or oftentimes the first thing, because we can do body work and body work and body work, strength training, and strength training, and never get that complete response with the soft tissue to want to change to where we can eliminate the exaggerated curvature and the iliums being pulled forward. I hope this helps. I'll talk about more postural patterns in the future. Take care.